Hello friends and welcome to unleashmaths. Are you a winner always in the famous TicTacToe game? In this video, we are going to discuss the famous TicTacToe puzzle problem and how to ace it each and every time. If you understand the logic behind this puzzle, you can always be the winner, unless of course your opponent knows the logic. Look at the situation. The game of tic-tac-toe is being played between two players, considering both the players are intelligent enough to not lose the game. Guess the winner of the game if after 6 moves the game looks like this. I suggest you pause the video here and think logically. Alright, so to decide who will be the winner, you must also know that whose turn is next. Whoever the turn is next will be the winner, since he can put his or her mark on the square 5 to win the game easily. To get that, you must know what was the 6th mark and at which position. The 6th mark must be placed in a line already containing the two opponents' marks, since that will defend the winning condition of the opponent. There are two such possibilities. The 6th mark would have been either a circle in square 7 or a cross in square 9. As we know, both the players are intelligent enough. The 6th mark could not have been a circle in square 7. If that was the case, he would have placed circle in square 5 and would have won. But since that is not the case, hence the 6th mark must be the cross placed in square 9. And then the 7th mark would be a circle. Thus, a circle wins the game. I hope you liked and understood the solution for this particular problem. We are coming up with more such logical problems in this particular series. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.